homeowner's insurance policy will protect you against certain losses and damages to your new home and is generally required by the lender prior to closing. Your lawyer will generally ask you for proof of insurance prior to requesting funds from the lender. Let's talk about the 5 most important things to know about homeowners insurance. The first is coverage exclusion. So is it covered by flood, earthquake, water coming in from the outside, or just sewer backup? Coverage exclusions is really important to know. The second is dollar limitations on claims. Did you know that sometimes things like jewelry will only be covered up to a certain amount? The third is replacement costs. So if your home is completely destroyed, it's important to know what the replacement cost of your home will be. And the fourth is actual cash value. So sometimes you may decide not to fix the property and to just take cash. It's important to know what that actual cash value is. And the fifth one is liability. So it's important to know what liability you have and what is covered. If someone slips on the ice or if something happens in your house, what's covered and what's not covered? What are you liable for? And it's always important to know if there's any change in use or change in risk to your home, the insurer may not cover. So if you bring in renters, if you're out of the home for an extended period of time, if there's any change in risk or they deem it to be risk, then they may not cover you. So it's important to keep your insurance company up to date with everything that's going on and any changes that you make, especially if you go away, especially if you rent it out or leave it vacant or start doing construction. It's important to inform your insurance company of this. As always, if you have any questions about the home buying process, call, text, or email us today.